Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the counting of the numbers from 31 to 50 in the mathematics of class first. We have 3 bundles of matchsticks which is equal to 30 and 1 loose matchstick. So 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. 3 tens and 1 ones 31. इसे 31 भी कहते हैं. Now we have 3 bundles which is equal to 30 and 2 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. 3 tens and 2 ones 32. इसे 32 कहते हैं. Now we have 3 bundles which are equal to 30 and 3 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. 3 tens and 3 ones 33. इसे 33 कहते हैं. We have 3 bundles which means 30 and 4 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. 3 tens and 4 ones 34. इसे 34 कहते हैं. We have 3 bundles which means 30 and 5 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. 3 tens and 5 ones 35. इसे 35 कहते हैं. Now we have 3 bundles which means 30 and some loose matchsticks, 6 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. 3 tens and 6 ones 36. इसे 36 कहते हैं. Now we have 3 bundles which means 30 and 7 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. 3 tens and 7 ones 37. इसे 37 कहते हैं. We have 3 bundles which means 30 and 8 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. 3 tens and 8 ones 38. इसे 38 कहते हैं. Now we have 3 bundles which means 30 and 9 loose matchsticks. So 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. 3 tens and 9 ones. 39. इसे 39 कहते हैं. Now we have 3 bundles, which means 30, and one more bundle, which means 10. So 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 4 tens and 0 ones. 40. इसे 40 कहते हैं. इसमें हमारे पास टेंस यानी बंडल्स हैं 4 और 0 लूज मैस्टिक्स हैं, तो 4 and 0 40. Now how many bundles do we have? Yes, 4 bundles, which means 40 and 1 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. 4 tens and 1 ones. 41. इसे 41 कहते हैं. Now we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 2 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. 4 tens and 2 ones. 42. इसे 42 कहते हैं. Here we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 3 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. 4 tens and 3 ones. 43. इसे 43 कहते हैं. Now we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 4 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. 4 tens and 4 ones. 44. इसे 44 कहते हैं. Here we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 5 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. 4 tens and 5 ones. 45. इसे 45 कहते हैं. Here we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 6 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. 4 tens and 6 ones. 46. इसे 46 कहते हैं. Here we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 7 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. 4 tens and 7 ones. 47. इसे 47 कहते हैं. Now we have 4 bundles, which means 40 and 8 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. 4 tens and 8 ones. 48. इसे 48 कहते हैं. Now we have 4 bundles, which means 40, and 9 loose matchsticks. So 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. 4 tens and 9 ones. 49. इसे 49 कहते हैं. Now here we have 4 bundles, which means 40, and one more bundle, which means 10. So 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. 5 tens and 0 ones. 50. इसे 50 कहते हैं. 50 में कोई भी लूज मैस्टिक्स नहीं है, यानी वंस में 0 हो गया और बंडल हमारे पास यहाँ पे 5 हो गए, तो इससे 50 बनता है. That's all for now. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates.